Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Facebook Reels for free. Let's launch the Facebook app and pick up a reel. Okay, let's click on the reels. Okay, let's download this reel over here. You want to click on the arrow that is on the lower right corner, share, right? And then I want you to copy the link. After we copy the link, I want you to head towards Chrome. Okay guys, I want you to find this app. It's called snapsafe.app. You come over here and you want to paste your link. Okay, and the app will simply process the video and will give you an option to download the video. As you can see, we have plenty of different options of qualities. Just pick your option. Be careful where you're clicking, of course, as usual. Not as many ads as in the other apps platforms, but this is how you can download Facebook Reels for free, guys. For more tips and tricks, subscribe and come back for more.